So time to go out and do chores finally. It's December 31st. It's probably, I don't know, upper 40s, 50 degrees out here, so it's kind of nice for this time of year. We just, like everybody else, got the cold snap where we -7, wind chill -35. Of course, we're in southern Indiana. There's a lot of people that got it a whole lot worse than we did. I think we had, I don't know, maybe 4 inches of snow, give or take. But overall, wasn't terrible. Everybody say good morning to Amy. First thing we do, we got to feed old Thelma and Amy.
Where'd you do your dish? Where'd you get your dish? Oh, it's way over here. Oh, she gets so excited. There you go. Let me get some for Thelma. All right, Thelma, you're up. Here, you good kid. Thelma, you definitely a good kid. Yeah, you're definitely a good kid.
I'll show you this real quick. The cost of everything is what kills a lot of farmers. So I set up a system here where the gutter on the barn comes down that pipe, goes into the cattle straw. When it fills up, it runs over for the sheep and then back out here. Now I need to put a pipe and extend that down because obviously I drive through, there's a gate there. Extend that down and get this water to move along. But I don't know, maybe we'll do that today. Have to see what happens. Deke the dog. Oh, there's Cat 1. Hi, Cat 1. He's my little buddy. He stays out here with me most of the time.
Watch out, guys. Watch out. Let me have your water. I'll get you filled back up. Watch out, girls. I don't want to set it on you. You gotta get out from under. All right, there you go. Food and water.
All right, who did this? Was it you? Did you do this? You can hear somebody push the feeding ring and it shortened out on the fence. So we're gonna have to fix that today. Probably just get the tractor and shove the ring back over. No big deal. Hi, 507. I think I know who probably did this. Was it you? Nope, it was him. My old mean ornery bull. Come on. Hi, babies. I bet that one or that one and that one belong together. Just a wild guess. It's only two white-faced ones we got. Walk down here and check on the new baby. She's up. She's only a few days old. Little heifer. Hi, little one. You're a cute little girl. Yeah? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Don't be shy. That is not her mother. I don't see her mom. Here, she's not too far off. You're a cute little girl. Hey. She's like, nope, I'm camera shy. Let's see who's down here. I got 19 calves on the ground, and I still have 2 that haven't calved. One of them being a Wagyu. So I've been trying to keep an eye out on that. And a lot of times, they'll get back down in here in those cedars, and that's where they'll have calves, and that's a Wagyu standing right there, so. Her tail's up a little bit. I don't know. I think she just may be hanging out down here. Oh well. I like for them to calve before it gets cold again. Because it's going to. It's just a matter of time. No short tail. Oh, there's her mama. She's a little cutie. Is that your baby? She's a little cutie. Diggy, I gotta go out in the field and take care of the feeding ring they pushed up against the electric fence. Hey, which tractor you want to use? The little one? I think it'll push it. That time of year. Well, this is actually a road we're on now, so just what's on top. I'll put this in and then put this fence up, which a lot of people comment on it because I just kind of got it up. I didn't really worry about too much. But anyway, they're on a feeding pad. This is a road going out to the hay bales out there. That way I don't have to fight the cows every time I feed. I can just stay on this side, dump the bales over. Piece of cake.
side, or I'll get the big tractor out, push it out further. The rest of them seem to be okay down through there. My little one. What you doing? Hi, too. You look grumpy today. Yeah, I know. It's raining. Yeah, you guys have beds with hay to lay on so you stay dry, but you keep pooping on them. Why do you poop in them? I don't understand that. Whatever. Hey, you know, while we're here, let's see how steamy the compost pile is. That is good dirt right there. That'll go on the fields. Mix it in. You can still see a little bit of the wood chips that I put in there. A little bit back here you can still see. But for the most part, it's broke them all down. Bit of steam coming off of it. Still breaking stuff down. I can see the steam. But I'll try to not put it off the tractor. Look how good that dirt looks. Look how good that dirt looks. That'll go in the fields this spring. Started out hay, manure, mulch, wood chips, rather. There's some up against the fence there. You can still see where it hasn't broke all of it down there. I need to flip that back there, get those buried. We'll do that before long. But man, it's turned in some good dirt. That's going to be some good stuff. Help the fields grow. Help build the soil. That's the idea. That's the name of the game. Especially with fertilizer prices. Good Lord. I say we go four-wheeling. This time of year, nothing but mud. Hi, sheep. Old cows. I don't know if you can see them up there. Their wagoos are in there eating. Well, I have to say, this is one of my first videos on YouTube, and I definitely enjoyed making it. I hope that everybody enjoys it, and Deke the dog, he definitely does. I hope that you guys like and subscribe. That means a lot to us and helps us build our base. And please ask comments, or ask questions in the comments, I should say, and I'll do the best I can to answer them. It's a learning thing for everyone. We want you guys to learn. We will learn, and we'll make some mistakes along the way. I'm one that I don't mind to try something and see if it works. If it does, great. If it doesn't, we'll try something different. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.